tayo na magbago. Hawak kamay tayo.
President Duterte is now inspecting the contraband vehicles with a total of 68 luxury cars and 8 big motorcycles. He is with CESA Administrator and CEO Raul Lambino giving him a short briefing. Our President comes to visit the Cagayan Special Economic Zone and Freeport here in Santa Ana, Cagayan for the condemnation and public destruction of these vehicles.
Masdan mo ang paligid, alamak mga krimen, rape, droga at mga nakawan, dapat nga mapigilan. Tayo na Pilipinas, Duterte, para sa tunay na pagbabago. Tayo na Pilipinas, tayo na magbago. Hawak kamay tayo para sa pag-asenso. Ikaw at ako, tayong lahat kay Rodrigo. Sa piling mo, di ko mawawala ang korupsyon. Tayo na Pilipinas, tayo na magbago.
Rodrigo Roa Duterte.
Alamak mga krimen, rape, droga at mga nakawan, dapat nga mapigilan. Tayo na
Pursuant to the clear directives of President Rodrigo Duterte last March 14, 2018, when we first witnessed the initial public destruction of 14 luxury vehicles. Today, we are again witnesses to the condemnation and public destruction of 68 contraband luxury vehicles and 8 big motorcycles. No less than the President himself witnessed the condemnation of those 14 luxury vehicles and declared the government's strong resolve to restore good governance, preserve our nation's dignity, and safeguard our people's welfare. In adherence to the President's unequivocal...
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
CESA Board of Directors has resolved with finality all pending issues in accordance with the due process provision of CESA's administrative order on condemnation proceedings. Thus, all contraband luxury vehicles were legally seized and properly disposed of by CESA. In echoing the President's remarks last March 14, when he minced no words in declaring to put an end to a long-standing societal disease that has eroded public trust and tainted the government's sincerity to deliver equitable social services. This public condemnation and destruction will send out the message that CESA does not and will never again tolerate or condone or encourage smuggling or wrongdoing of any kind at the free port.